Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my kitchen. And for today, we're going to learn how to bleed achuete or annatto. Okay, first I want to explain to you how it comes. So this is annatto seeds. When you see them as little pods on the tree, they look very much like horse chestnuts, spiky. And when you break them inside, these are the seeds that come out. Now, why do I have two of them here? Well, in regular supermarkets or in the market, you will find them in little packets that are this way. Okay. But you see, the Filipino vendor is very ingenious. So what they do is they already sort of like pre-prep the achuete or the annatto seeds so that you can use it immediately by just soaking it in hot water. And what they do is, here it is, this is the achuete or annatto that has already been soaked in a little bit of lye water and dried. And then they put it in little packets so that you don't have to look for lye. You just immediately put it in hot water and you can bleed the achuete for its coloring and flavor. Now, here I have two ways of bleeding the achuete. One is through oil. So we will heat up the oil in a little frying pan and put the achuete seeds and then just slowly let the achuete flavor and color seep into the oil. Now the other method, which is much faster, which is the one that is already ready-made, which is the achuete seeds that have been placed with some lye, and then all they do is pour hot water. So we'll do it from scratch. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to bleed it using lye water or lihya. This is what we need for this recipe, and a measuring spoon, and this is lye. It's called white lihya, okay, or lye water. So for 1 teaspoon of achuete seeds, we're going to use half a teaspoon of lye water. So okay, I like to use it as a rule that when you're trying to pour something into a teaspoon or tablespoon or something, do not pour it over what you're going to use it with, because you could accidentally pour half of the bottle into it. So here, we're going to do it here. So here's half a teaspoon of lye water. We're going to mix it now with the achuete seeds. And now we're going to make magic. Look, look, look. See, it's beginning to bleed. Then you just leave it there until it gets darker. Now, I'm going to show you how to bleed the achuete using oil. Come over here. So, wait first. So that you will see how it bleeds, I'm going to use a stainless steel frying pan and heat it up first. All you need is just a low medium flame. Then we pour the oil. So I really need only a little of the oil, but you see, I can use this for other things. You can use it when you want to color your spaghetti. You want to use it for pansit luglog or pansit palabok, and anything that needs a little bit of coloring makeup. And then here I'm going to put the achuete seeds into the oil and let it bleed there too. And we just see magic. When this has bled to the color that you would like to use, you can just turn off the heat and you can store the oil in a bottle with even the seeds inside and use it as you need it.